It's a fresh one.
No. It's always so awkward.
So
We have
good.
few foods. Hot dog. And sinangag.
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
We had that yesterday.
And kaninang
Did you vlog yesterday?
not the food. When I was eating mangoes, we got like milk tea, like hot.
Hot milk.
This is banana ketchup.
Seryoso.
Sponsored by UFC.
Ang pagba dalawa? Opo, dalawa tsaka may carry on. Matalik ka naman. Isa lang. Kumakain ka pa. In the air.
Saka ayoko maraming dala. Gusto ko nga eh. Sarili ko na lang yun. Kaya yung aming balik-balik boxes. Walo.
Ay, yung mga hindi lang. Kasi piniship nyo. Kaya wala na sila dala sa aeroplano. May bit-bit pa naman yung piniship kasi.
Lalo sa Hong Kong, layo na lalakarin.
Kami naman po ano.
No, I'm just
In the air sa Taiwan.
Mamalik na iba yun. Ito pagkain.
Ay, wait. Nasa mga yung ko. Ito. Kung something lang.
Saan ba tayo? Wait, what is it called? Kalatagan Boardwalk? There's lightning? May lightning daw. This is Ate Dada.
Hi.
Gabi. So we just heard lightning. Oh,
We don't want to.
my hair is going crazy right now.
We're leaving our end.
How do you feel about the lightning, Ate?
Scared.
Of course. So, balik na kami. Pero umuulan.
There's nothing.
Wala naman.